Pomegranates are a great fruit to grow to have an array of nutrients during the cold and flu season. They are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the cells of your body from damage caused by free radicals. High amounts of free radicals can be harmful and contribute to a number of chronic diseases. Getting antioxidants from pomegranates is a great way to support overall health and prevent disease. They can even help reduce body inflammation, help with digestion, and they have anti-cancer properties. We grow 2 pomegranate trees on our farm. There is a bit of work to do to get the juice. However, when you do, you will find the juice to be a wonderful combination of slightly tart and very sweet. The first step in getting to taste this amazing juice is to cut the top off with a knife. Then score down the sides, but only cut a small amount into the pomegranate. Score it from the stem to the end along the 4 to 6 white sections that run from the center to the peel between the seeds. Pull the pomegranate apart into halves or sections. Follow the sections of the pomegranate as divided by the white pith as much as possible. The pith is where the fruit will naturally pull apart in most cases. Do this over a bowl of water. Let it soak for a few minutes in the water to help the seeds release. After those few minutes, begin pulling the seeds out. Be careful not to squeeze the seeds. This will release their juices. Once all the seeds are out and away from the white sections, drain the water out and put the seeds into a blender. We are using a simple handheld blender. Blend them up, but make sure to strain them. Straining will help remove all of the pulp and bits of hard seeds. Drink up and enjoy! 1 medium pomegranate will yield about 1 cup of seeds. You can also enjoy pomegranates in salads. If you have never tried pomegranate juice, I highly encourage you to do so. S.H.T.F. Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.